In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive Alight Motion. If you've downloaded presets, XML files, videos, or project links and want them inside Alight Motion, I'll walk you through 2 easy ways to do it and share quick fixes for the most common issues. First, let's start with a direct import from Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app on your device and find the file you want to use. For presets, that's usually an XML file or a saved preset link. Next to the file, tap the 3 dots to open more options. Choose Open With or Send a Copy, then select Alight Motion from the list. Alight Motion will launch and the project will auto-import in the background. After the import, switch over to the Alight Motion app and check your projects list. The new project should appear there, ready to edit. This method is quick and keeps everything within Drive and Alight Motion without extra steps. If the direct import doesn't show the result you expect, there's a more reliable route. Download first, then import. In Google Drive, tap to download the file to your device. Once it finishes, open your device's file manager or the Files app and go to the Downloads folder. Find the file you just saved, tap it, and when you're prompted to choose an app, select Alight Motion. This approach works especially well for MP4 videos, PNG images, and XML preset files, and it gives you a local copy that Alight Motion can access more consistently. Now, a few common problems and how to fix them fast. If your file isn't showing up in Alight Motion after you've tried importing, move the file into the Downloads folder and repeat the import. Alight Motion often detects files there more reliably. If you see a "cannot import" message, the file might be too large or not in a supported format for your current project. In that case, verify you're using an MP4, PNG, or XML, or try a smaller file. And for iPhone users, you may need to route the import through the Files app or use a QR or Cloud Link method provided by the creator if that's how the preset is shared. That's it. Use the direct open with Approach for speed and the Download First method when you want maximum reliability. Check your Downloads folder if anything goes missing, and you'll be set to bring your Google Drive assets straight into Alight Motion without hassle.